Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone are fine and safe at home. Now let's move on to the subject geography. Lesson India's climate, vegetation and wildlife. So now we will start with the topic weather and climate. Weather. It is the day-to-day changes in the atmosphere or atmospheric conditions. For example, changes in temperature, rainfall, sunshine, etc. Whereas climate is defined as the average weather conditions measured for a region over long period of time, usually 30 years or more than that. For example, if we talk about weather right now, there must be sunshine. After half an hour or 1 hour down the line, there might be heavy rainfall. That is why weather is unpredictable. Whereas climate can be predicted to some extent. Climate is the average of weather condition. So this is the major difference between the weather and climate. Now we talk about the major seasons of India, our country. They are cold weather season or winter, hot weather season or summer, southwest monsoon season or rainy season, season of retreating monsoon or autumn season. The climate of a region or a place depends mainly on its location, altitude or height from the mean sea level, distance from the sea and its relief features or various landforms present in that region. Now we will discuss the topic natural vegetation of our country India, that is classified into five main types. They are tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation, mangrove forest. Now we will proceed with forest with tropical rainforest. These rainforests, they are located in the tropical zone of our country, India, because our country India has both tropical and subtropical zones, and also these regions receive heavy rainfall. That's why they got their name as tropical rainforest. These rainforests have thousands of species of plants and animals, and these plants and trees, they shed their leaves at different times of the year. Therefore, these forests always appear green in color. That is the reason why these forests are also called as evergreen forest. They can be called as either tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forest. These forests are mainly found in Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India, northeastern states and western Ghats. So the major trees found in the forest are example mahogany, ebony, rosewood, etc. Now we will discuss about tropical deciduous forest. Even they also have thousands of varieties of plants and animals. However, almost all plants and trees in this forest shed their leaves at a particular time of the year known as fall season, also known as autumn season. That's why these forests look completely empty during this fall or autumn season. These forests are mainly found in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra mainly. For example, sal, teak, peepal, neem, shisham, etc. Now we will discuss about thorny bushes. So these thorny bushes are mainly found in the dry areas of our country India, mainly in the regions of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and dry parts of Western Ghats and Gujarat mainly. For example, cactus, kair, babul and kikar, etc. Now we will discuss further mountain vegetation. That these kind of vegetation are found in the mountain or mountainous region of our country, India, mainly between the heights of 1500 meter to 2500 meter above the mean sea level. So these mountainous vegetation forests are generally conical in shape. For example, chir, pine, deodar, etc. Then we will move on to the topic mangrove forest. These forests can survive very well even in saline water. That is why these forests are very unique compared to other forests. So these forests are mainly found in the Sundarban Delta in the state of West Bengal of our country, India, and parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands in our country, India. For example, Sundari tree is a well-known tree found in this mangrove forest. So that is why the Sundarban Delta is named after the Sundari trees mainly. Now we will discuss about the topic, why are forests necessary? Yes, forest is one of the main resource. So why it is said to be as necessary? Because they are very useful to us. They perform important functions like releasing oxygen that we breathe and absorbing carbon dioxide. They also prevent soil erosion by binding the soil together. That they also provide us with useful materials like timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs like honey-gum, etc. And forests are natural habitat of wildlife. Now we will move further and discuss the topic wildlife. Wildlife means wild plants and animals living in the forest region or areas. So these forests, they are home to a variety of wildlife including local and migratory birds as well. So our country India has a rich variety of wildlife and we are very proud of that. Is it not? Yes. There are thousands of species of plants and animals which dwell in the forest of our country India, like tigers, lions, elephants, one-horned rhinoceros, camel, wild donkeys, wild goats, snow leopard, bears, monkeys, wolves, jackals, mirgai, cheetal, etc. The tiger is our national animal and the peacock is our national bird. Other common birds found in our country India are parrots, pigeons, mynas, geese, bulbul and ducks. The major migratory birds which come to our country India and stay in our country for a very few months before returning to their homelands are the Siberian crane, the pelican, pin-tailed duck, stork, flamingo, curlew, etc. are a very few well-known examples of various migratory birds that visit our country India regularly every year. Apart from these, there are hundreds of species of snakes found in our country India. For example, cobras, kraits, etc. Now we will discuss about the very important topic, conserving wildlife. Wildlife has to be protected and conserved properly for all of us and also for our future generation to maintain the natural balance on the earth. A major problem faced by wildlife is poaching. Poaching is the illegal hunting or capturing of wildlife done by certain groups of people in order to sell their body parts at enormous prices and they earn huge amount of money by selling the body parts of various wild animals. That is why poaching is the very serious problem and it is a major threat to life. So that is the reason why our country's government, the government of India, has set up many national parks, sanctuaries and biospheres to protect them. Also has started various wildlife Project Tiger, Project Elephant, etc. to protect these various wildlife animals in this natural habitats. So in this video, we have covered this chapter. So you can also do some Google search and add some additional points to our existing knowledge. Thank you.